Good morning to all of my students. We'll discuss today some one word substitution. I'm going to start. The first word is philanthropist. Philanthropist means one who loves mankind is called philanthropist. जे mankind को love करे, love of human, one who loves mankind is called philanthropist. He was a wealthy businessman and a philanthropist. Mankind को जे love करे से होची कौन? Philanthropist. You can say also he is a milk of human kindness. He is a milk of human kindness means जे मानव सभ्यता को मानव समाज को भल पाए. He is a milk of human kindness. That is called philanthropist. A philanthropist man established the university. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is mania. Mania means love. Mania for stealing article. That means kleptomania. Kleptomania means stealing articles. किसी ना किसी जिनस नहीं जावा. It is a mania means love. Means what is habit. आदत पड़ी जावा. A businessman or a millionaires means get into the problem of kleptomania. Means he has a lot of money but still he is taking articles from other. So that is called mania. It's a love. Then we will also proceed third word, that is indelible. Indelible means making mark that cannot be erased. चिन्ह छाड़िबा नहीं. चिन्ह छाड़िबो नहीं. Making marks that cannot be erased, removed or washed out. Making marks that cannot be erased. Erase माने लिभिजिबा, remove माने छाड़िजिबा and washed out धुई हबो नहीं, छाड़िबो नहीं. So here is an also example. The blood had left a indelible mark on my shirt. The blood had left a indelible mark on my shirt. ମୋ ସାର୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ଚିହ୍ନ blood mark ଛାଡ଼ୁ ନାହିଁ. That is called indelible mark. We'll proceed to this fourth word, that is the government autocracy. The government run by dictator is termed a autocracy. Dictator means one person, the power lies at the hand of one person. That is called autocracy. The government run by a dictator. Dictator means that is called autocracy. Opposite is anacracy. Anacracy कौन? Absence of government. जोंटी government नहीं, that is called anacracy. Autocracy opposite होची anacracy. So we'll proceed to this next word, that is one who is habitually good to others, who believes that to good other for no reason, to do good, to be good for others, to be good. Here is be. To be is good, to be good others for no reason. कौनसी कारण नहीं समस्तों पाई कौन खुशी जे देखिए समस्तंकर भलो जे चिंता करे. One who is habitual good to other माने अन्य पाई सबल पाई भलो चिंता करे. To be good for other no reason, that is altruist. ता कौन को आजिबो? Altruist को आजिबो. That is altruist. So a person who helps other and helps them despite not gaining any doing this. माने person जो व्यक्ति अन्य को साहाय्य करे, who helps other and helps them तांको मते साहाय्य करे despite माने सत्ते. Despite पर of preposition बसे नहीं, inspite पर inspite of बसे, किंतु despite पर कौन सी preposition बसे नहीं. Despite not gaining any interest anything by doing this, ऐसा करिकी मते तो किछि मिलना नहीं, still he is doing. That means he is an altruist person. Altruist means who thinks good for other. So we will proceed. Next word, that is a person who helps. We have studied also. That is altruist. She is an altruist and idealistic. She is an is altruist and idealistic. Then we will proceed to the next word, that is anonymous. Anonymous means unknown authorship. The author wishes to remain anonymous. Anonymous means not to be declared. The author remains to be anonymous. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is omniscient. Omniscient means one who knows everything, ଯେ ସର୍ବଜ୍ଞ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛି, one who knows everything, that is called omniscient. The God is not only omniscient but also omnipresent. କେବଳ ଭଗବାନ ସବୁ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସର୍ବବିଦ୍ୟମାନ ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ଅଛନ୍ତି. The God is not only omniscient but also omnipresent. Then we'll proceed to the next word, that is misologist. Misologist means, what is misologist? Misologist means a hater of knowledge or learning, जे पाठ विद्या को ग्रहण माने घृणा करे से होची कोन मिसोलॉगिस्ट. मिसोलॉगिस्ट one who head of knowledge, hater of knowledge and learning, that is misologist. A 100-year-old man is called centurion. Centenarian. Centenarian होची कोन a 100-year-old man जे 100 वर्ष बंचुची ता कोन centenarian भी कहा जाउची. A person who is between 8 to 89, that is called octogenarian. 80 ରୁ 89 मसे जे बंचे ता कोन कहा जिवो before 1990 is called octogeneration. A person who is between 90 to 99, that is nona generation. That is nona generation. Then we will proceed the last word. The commencement of word. When commencement means beginning. Commencement of words with same letter, that is alternation. Alternation माने होची कोन the repetition of same word in the beginning. It is a what is called figure of speech. So the commencement of words with the same letter is called alternation. Okay, we will also discuss in the later classes also. Thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you.